everyone, welcome to this little improvised video where I would like to share with you some things before I embark into my journey to the rest of Asia. In 1 week I'm leaving Hoi An to run my first photography tour in North Vietnam, and I would like to show you today what I'm going to take with me in my camera bag. Later on I will share with you the exciting new tools that I built up for you for 2020. Alright, so I'm gonna keep it brief and simple as usual. I'm going to be leaving for a total of about almost 3 months. So almost 3 months on the road. What am I gonna take with me? First, I never travel with one camera bag because sometimes I just want to go out for half a day and I just want one camera, one lens. Sometimes I want to take a little bit more with me. I got this great f-stop gear bag, the little one, which is very, very useful. If I want to just take one camera, one lens, I can throw my wallet inside, some batteries and stuff. It's the perfect size. I've got that other f-stop gear bag, which allows me to take a little more. I can put my computer inside, I can put all my camera gear, so easy to travel with it, to go through airports, etc., etc. Now, in terms of gear, I've got my faithful X-T2 that I use as a backup camera. I've got my X-T3 and my 23mm, which is right now filming on the tripod, so I cannot show it to you. I'm gonna have my usual beautiful portrait lens, my 35mm Mitacon manual focus, which I still really love for portraits. And I got this brand new 10-24 Fuji lens wide angle, which I am really looking forward to using in places like, for example, Bangladesh and India, taking photos of groups of people with this wide angle. Next thing I got a battery charger, obviously. I got my passports. I wanted to show you this cute little protector with the colors of Hoi An. How awesome is that? I got my card reader that was given to me by Aiden Dockery about 8 years ago. Wow, it still works, amazing. I got my little Fuji flash that I'm planning to use for street photography, Bangladesh and India. I've got a little sound recorder, really small, really easy to carry. I can record sounds everywhere I go. I got that awesome little hard drive that I just got, 500 gigs. Another backup hard drive, a little bit bigger, just in case. My little blower, obviously. Toothbrush, absolutely necessary. A toothbrush traveling through Asia, coming out of factories in Myanmar or North Vietnam and cleaning all the dust we gather all day. And of course, I've got my little bag with all my, I've got what, 1, 2, 3, 4 extra Fuji batteries in there. And that's it, basically. I will take a small luggage with some clothes to take, but that's all I need for the next 3 months on the road. Now, about 2020. Next year is going to be very busy. I've been preparing a lot of tools over the last couple of years that I wanted to throw for 2020, because 2020, come on, it's going to be a big year. First, this Sunday, I'm going to be in Hanoi to run our first photography walk in Hanoi. We had a very successful one in Saigon last month. And I hope to see you in Hanoi Sunday morning for a walk around, meeting people, taking photos, and just chilling out in the streets of Hanoi. So for 2020, apart from running my usual Central Vietnam tours, North Vietnam, Iran, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, India, and I'm probably gonna go visit Myanmar again. There are some new spots I want to explore. I've been building some new tours. First, last week I went to explore the area of Phom Nha for the second time, and this time I really managed to build some awesome itinerary. So next year there's going to be a 7-day tour from Hue to Phom Nha, where we're going to explore the whole untouched coastal region between Hue and Phom Nha and the national park, which is really mind-blowing. So I really hope you can make it there next year. Next thing we're going to have next year is the first 100% street photography workshop run by Pixaveja in and around Hoi An. It's going to be a 5-day workshop with Andy Barker and myself, and we want to show you that Hoi An and the surroundings are actually the best place on earth at the moment for street photography. So come and learn with us. We're gonna have a really fun time. Next thing we're gonna have, I am partnering with Anna Barnes from Art, Food and Culture in June to run our first photography/sketching tour. So we're going to be traveling in, of course, the best spots we have in Central Vietnam, the places I usually go, but we're gonna mix photography art, food and sketching together. So expect a lot of local food, a lot of fun, lots of great photos, and if you're into drawing, sketching, painting, we're going to be blending all this together. You should definitely check it out. On top of that, at the end of 2020, I'm thinking of opening a new photography tour in India. The destination right now is kept a little bit secret, but you might see some things on social media by the end of December. I hope to see you in 2020. I hope to see you Sunday morning in Hanoi for a photo walk. Take care, everyone.